This is the elevator at the Catalyst Lofts in Lawrenceville, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a thyssenkrupp Oildraulic with impulse. It's a very tall one. It's an old building. This is originally a school, I believe. I wasn't expecting to get in here today. I've been wanting to get in here for so long. Probably at least 6 or 7 years at this point. Basement, here you go down. Here's the basement. You bounce you there. It does not go to the full height here. What does that sticker say? Fascia. Up to 3. This is on tack 20. It might be a thyssenkrupp then. Here we go up. Plus it's pretty loud. Here 3. Pretty quick stop on 3. Just wanted to rope on 3 braille. I guess there's roof access and then there's the apartments. Right down to 1. It fun. Do not use, stop mid-use. Recommended. Well, maybe that's when the elevator. It's like the phone. You should, but might as well try it if it stops, and then use your phone. I guess it's a basic red Dover thyssenkrupp cab. It's kind of giving more thyssenkrupp vibes. Go back at 1. This doors, this cab is rather tall for this type of building. Here goes nothing yet.